During the course of the ride, please remain seated with your back against the backrest and your arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times.
Oh yeah, you're the
Thank you and enjoy your ride. Dispatch.
Yeah, exploration theme parks. Exploration theme parks. That's awesome. Thank you.
We're gonna put our hands up, okay? Now, hold on tight. No, keep your head up, please, baby. Just keep your head up. You're okay. Take a deep breath.
Please hold on to the left bar and keep it.
We got this, baby, right? Keep your eyes open. Up, see Daisy.
Whee!
All right.
Here we go.
That was fun. Admit it. All right, rate it. 10 out of what? Or 1 out of 10? 0. 0? You hate it that much? Yeah. I won't make you ride it ever again. Better not. Thank you for riding it with me, though.
Welcome back. When the ride comes to a complete stop, your